welcome to my channel The Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Hope you all are doing fine and safe in the tough times. Today I have a huge Nykaa and Miniso haul. See the products that I got from Nykaa first. So the first products that I have ordered is this cotton balls. Each has 50 pieces and I got 2 of them. The second product that I got is the Cetaphil face wash. This is a really good product. The next products that I got are this Neutrogena sunscreens. These two are like very perfect products for best sunscreens. The next product that I got from Nykaa is this cute face roller. I got this for like 1690 rupees. I'll leave the link of all these products in the description box. So the next products that I got are these nail polishes from Nykaa. The first one is this matte dark green color one. Next is this set of green and peach texture nail polishes. The next nail polishes that I got are this blood red color ones. Both of them are like similar colors. One is little on a maroon shade and the other one is red. The next shade that I got is this orange one and the other one is this pretty pink one. The next product that I got is this L'Oreal color. This is a burgundy shaded color and it is very easy to apply at home. The next products are a set of lipsticks. One is from Huda Beauty. This is a liquid matte icon shade color. The next is one Nykaa mini lipstick which is of red shade. This comes in a cute mini size like this. The next set of products is this lip pencils from K Beauty. I got 3 shades of these. Let's open and see how they look. So they come in cute sizes like these. The next product is a lip topper again from K Beauty. This is in a cute pink shade. The next product is a lip crayon again from K Beauty. I really love this K Beauty products from Nykaa. Next we have eyeshadow sticks. I got 2 colors of these. One is Special Effects and one is this Moonlight shade. This is again from K Beauty. So this is how the eyeshadow stick looks like. The next products that we have are eye makeup ones. Mascara from K Beauty. Kajal and the eyebrow pencil. So this is how the mascara looks like from K Beauty, and this is the kajal and this is the eyebrow pencil. I got the chestnut shade of this. The next products that I have are this face masks and moisturizing packs. This is a charcoal face mask from Mirabelle. This is the tea tree face mask from Mirabelle again. This is a Korean brand. This is a turmeric face mask. This is their neem face mask. These work perfect. Next I got some of the most best reviewed products from Nykaa, that is Coco Star hand moisturizer pack and foot peeling pack. I'll try these out and share the reviews how it works for me. The next products that I have are this wax strips from Veet. These are the ready to use cold wax strips and they work really great for your hands and legs. The next product that I got is this Venus. Venus razor works great for your smoother skin. I also have got the refill packs for this which can be used for this razors or the small one. The next small product that I got is this lip balm from Nivea. This is a pomegranate shine shade. I also got a compact powder from Maybelline. They have different shades available in this and I have got 118 light beige shade. The next product that I got from Nykaa is this Sigma brush case. It looks really nice and it fits in almost all the makeup brushes that we have. Let's see how it looks. It comes in a cute black pouch like this. Let's open and see how it looks. This is a black leather finish pouch and it comes with huge compartments like this. So let's try to keep our brushes and see how it looks. So I have kept my foundation and blush brushes in this. This is how it looks. This is a very nice and handy product to keep all your makeup brushes. I recommend you all to buy this. I also have got this cute L'Oreal makeup brushes which comes with a case like this, and it has almost 3 to 4 brushes which covers your foundation, eyebrow and shadows. The next product that I got is this Color Bar Eye Makeup Kit from Nykaa. It has 3 brushes. Brushes are for eyeshadow, smudger and eye defining brush. This costs at around 550 rupees for a set of 3 brushes. Next product that I have is this face shaving blades. This is from Can. And the next one is this one for eyebrows. And this one again for eyebrows. So these 3 are the set of razors that I got for face. That's all I have from Nykaa. Now let's check out some cute stuff that we got from Miniso. The first one that I got is this cosmetic foundation brush. This is a 3-in-1 makeup brush that costs at around 450 rupees. I have already used it once earlier. So this is a powder brush, and then you have one for compact and foundation, and the next one you have for eyeshadows. So this is a 3-in-1 compact brush that you get in Miniso, and I highly recommend you to use this product. The next one I got is a set of eyelash curlers. This is the one, and this is another one. These 2 are the must buys in Miniso. We have almost come to an end, guys. So the next one that we have is this eyebrow shaper stencils that we get from Miniso. So they come like this separately for left and right eyebrows, which you can just put them on your eyebrows. And color your eyebrows accordingly. Product is a set of eyebrow razors that I got from Miniso as well. These come in a pack of 2. They come in a cute shape like this, and you can open it like this and use it for your eyebrows, and then close it and keep it safely. So the last products that I have from Miniso are the set of eyebrow pencils. So they have different titles with them. This is the eyebrow pencil, and this is the tinted brow tattoo that they have. That's it for my today's video, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, The Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Stay safe, stay home.